Let us discuss difference of two squares. The formula for the difference of two squares is this. A squared minus b squared. Ang factored form niyan ay a plus b times a minus b. Kaya siya tinawag na difference of two squares kasi meron tayong difference or subtraction between two squared terms. Kaya difference of two squares. So kung may makita kayong expression na nasa ganitong form, it means you can factor that using this pattern. Okay? Mag-set tayo ng example. Halimbawa, factor natin yung x squared minus 4. What is the factored form? Well, x squared minus 4 can be expressed as x squared minus, and then 4. 4 is a perfect square kasi 2 squared yan. 2 squared. And in essence, nakaano to? Difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared. Yung a mo is yung x, tapos yung b mo ay 2. Okay? Tapos susundan mo lang yung pattern nito. Kasi sabi equal daw yan kay a plus b times a minus b. So, sundan mo lang yung pattern. Therefore, we have a plus b, and ang a natin is x, plus b, b is 2, times a minus b. So, x minus 2. Ito na ngayon yung factored form. Another example, let's say meron tayong x squared minus 49. Difference of two squares yan kasi 49 is equal to 7 times 7 or 7 squared. X squared minus 7 squared. And again, a squared minus b squared yan. Difference of two squares. Kaya naman kapag finactored form natin yan, following this pattern, we have x plus 7 times x minus 7. This is the factored form. Another one, let's say x squared minus, let's say, 64. 64 is again a perfect square. X squared minus 8 squared. The square root of 64 is 8. Kaya naman ang factored form niyan, ito rin. Ito yung a mo, ito yung b. Kaya naman, meron tayong x plus 8 and then times x minus 8. Next, halimbawa naman, factor natin yung x squared minus 28. Dito, meron tayong challenge kasi 28 is not a perfect square. Wala yung perfect square root. So, paano gagawin natin? Okay, ganito. Express pa rin natin siya as difference of two squares. X squared minus, ngayon, square root of 28 squared. Okay? And then, follow natin yung difference of two squares. Ito yung A, ito yung B. Kaya naman ang factored form niyan ay x plus square root of 28 and then times x minus square root of 28. Tapos na ba yan? Hindi pa. Kasi itong 28, rather square root of 28, pwede pa yan ma-simplify further. Paano? Okay, x plus 28 can be expressed as 4 times 7, right? So if we express 4 times 7 and then times x minus, ganun din dito, square root of 4 times 7. And alam natin, may square root ang 4. The square root of 4 is 2. So ilagay natin sa may labas ng radical symbol. Therefore, we have x plus the square root of 4 is 2. And then may iwan si square root of 7. And then times x minus, labas natin yung square root ng 4 which is 2 again. Square root of 7. This is our factored form. How about this one? Say meron tayong 9x squared minus 64. We can apply difference of two squares here para ma-factor yan. But this time, meron tayong coefficient sa x squared. Kaya naman, ang gagawin natin ganito. Itong 9x squared, ang factored form niyan, Rather, ang squared form is 3x squared. 3 squared is 9, and then x squared is x squared. Tapos yung 64, ito 8 squared yan. Still, this is difference of 2 squares. Ito yung A, ito yung B. Sundan natin to. So, ang factored form niyan ay 3x plus 8 times 3x minus 8. Next, let us factor 49x squared minus 81y squared. So, anong factored form yan? Again, these are two squares. So, express natin as squares. 49, the square root is 7. Therefore, we have 7x and then squared minus 81, the square root is 9. So, 9y and then squared. Difference of two squares. Ito yung A, ito yung B. Therefore, the factored form is 7x plus 9y and then times 7x minus 9y.